Want to refresh your home? The heavily used mudroom or entryway is a great place to start. After all, it's most likely the first place guests see when they walk in. Our organization expert, Laura Souders, is back to help us get it together. Laura, welcome back.
Good morning.
Good to see you here as we talk spring cleaning and spring organization. Talk first about why the mudroom or entryway is always a crucial area to keep organized.
It's really important because, like you said, it's the first place people see. It's the first place you come home to with all your hands full of everything. And you want to drop stuff there. And it's the last place when you're leaving, your kind of staging area that I need this for my day, I need this, and you're taking things out. So it's a really crucial area to be organized.
You want to be able to grab and go. So where should we start with this space? Clear everything out we don't need. Is that the first thing we should do?
Exactly. The bedroom ends up being that catch-all area for all the stuff that you want to get out of your car. The little receipts, all the little leftover snacks or things like that, or dumping kids' book bags. Let's get all of those papers out. We'll just throw them here and deal with them another time, but your backpack's too full. So get rid of all that stuff that doesn't belong there first.
Makes sense. Now you say to keep things off the floor. Okay. Why?
Well, I'll tell you, my my youngest, these are his sneakers, and when he takes these off and throws them right in the middle of the entryway, nobody can get through a couple pairs.
And it's a hazard.
It is definitely a hazard. We want to keep that walkway clear. So make specific places, designate places for things to go. If it's here, we're getting extra storage. So we can have this that everybody has one pair of shoes or two pair of shoes that go here. We're not going to be able to fit everything. But then it's kind of, we're using that, getting it off the floor and keeping it in a contained space and not in the walkway.
Yes, exactly. Basket?
Yeah, baskets are great too. So I have two different clips on these here that give each person their basket, like this with these huge ones. They fit right in here. I need these big baskets. They can go under a bench or even a chair. If you put 2 or 3 chairs together, you can make that perfect kind of bench and entryway area you want. Everybody would love those great build-ins and the cabinets that you see in the magazines, but you can still have that. You can create that kind of feel.
You can, and even just line it up against the wall. It's better than right in front of the door.
Exactly.
So there's no doubt.
And these are for the wet ones. When everything comes in wet, you don't want it getting into your basket or on any of these shoes. So put those, wet boots and the garden shoes in here so that you don't have to have them mixed with everything, but they're still in a confined area.
Makes sense. Now, it's where we keep our coats, seasonal hats, all of that stuff. So what can we do to keep those organized and not get lost?
Yeah, again, just use take the 1 or 2 that you need for that season. Put the rest in a different closet. But you want to put them on hooks. Use hooks anywhere you can. Hooks are great for the hats, for coats, for bags, purses, backpacks, dog leashes. And you can use doorknobs or other kind of knobs to put things up in the air. The other thing is keys. We need them before we go. We have them in our hand as soon as we come in. Have a spot for keys right there so that everybody knows where they are. You don't have to search.
Yep, easy. All right, now another great storage idea, now this is different, but a flower container.
Yeah, flower pots. So if we had these chairs, we could either put shoes underneath it in a basket, or we could put other things that we need. We can put the small umbrellas in a little flower pot. We can put the sunscreen or the bug spray on our way out.
For that. That's a good idea.
We're just tucking them in there, and you can get bigger flower pots depending on what you need, but then it's a more decorative place, to put things. I use bigger flower pots or even umbrella stands for baseball bats, for the bigger umbrellas, anywhere to keep things contained so that they're not falling in that entryway.
Makes a lot of sense. All right, now you've created a list of all of these things on your website, right?
Right.
And
you can go,
where can we go?
Yeah, you can go to healthierspaces.com, and I have Laura's list there, so you can see the name tags and a lot of the other products that I have there.
Thank you so much. Sounds good to me, Laura, and we'll see you again soon, I'm sure. Stay with us. We're coming back after this.